How to remove background of any video you want in CapCut. Whether the background is any random or a green screen, no worries. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, import that video into the CapCut, then drag to the timeline. This is the video with random background. Here in the top right corner side in the video section, tap on Remove BG here. Now there are two options, auto removal, and the second one is chroma key. As we are removing random background, so we will check this auto removal box. It will take a couple of seconds and your video background will be removed. To set its new background, import video or any photo you want to set as your new background. Drag to the timeline and adjust the layers like this. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.